Okay, hello. We are MDG number 7, and the problems that we'll be discussing is ensuring environmental sustainability. We find that this is a very important problem because everything is possible on the sustainable environment. So I broke this down into 3 subsections. Climate change, which is the main cause, is by global warming. Safe drinking water, which is caused by lack of infrastructure to purify water. And 3, global deforestation, which is caused by industrialization. So first off, I'll be talking about possible solutions for climate change. So due to global warming, the sea level rises and the energy that we use is from the risen sea level. A possibility that my group and I came up with is for countries to use a propeller-like thing in order to generate energy from the risen sea level caused by global warming. And our second solution that we thought of is that, Our second solution that we thought of was to create an additional layer. This layer will not only protect our own ozone layer, but it will also help emit greenhouse gases. The second topic I'll be talking about is safe drinking water. We think that countries should make a tea bag that can purify water, along with helping third world nations to make their own tea bags so they can use it. These third world countries can also export these tea bags, which will also help them economically. And we find that tea bags are very easy because they're small and it's very simple. Our second solution for this is that the second solution that we thought of is to educate people in the third world to become more skilled biologists in order for them to make a plant that can support water.
Hi. I'm nervous. For deforestation, let's see. We have 2 possible solutions to prevent the desertification and deforestation. So to prevent these stuff, a group of countries takes responsibility monthly. So at this point, the countries who are responsible, they have to provide labor forests and imported materials such as trees. And we, international society, have to decide the lower limitations of support and supervise them. I mean, it's like they're the responsible countries. And the second solution is to make the countries compete like the Olympics about which countries have a greater increase of mountains and forests, which means improvement in their ecosystem. So the countries with the greatest increase will get a higher rank in the sort of game. So in the end, the countries in higher rank will get economic advantage from the international society. And also, since developed countries would not want to give up their cities and civilizations to plant trees on their land, so current developing countries are more likely to get in higher rank, which will allow them to get more economical support from international society. So therefore, developing countries can help themselves with the support from the international society and get attractions from the other countries about their country. So to conclude, for climate change, the solution is based on changing the weakness into a strong point. So for example, this sea level rise is a weakness, and we were going to change the rise of the sea level into a strong point, which means power generations. Am I making sense? Whatever. Sorry. For global deforestation, our solution is based on For global deforestation, cooperation and competition between countries are essential for our solution to prevent those stuff. And lastly, for safe drinking water, our solution is beneficial in the fact that it is cost effective. So lastly, we strongly believe that all the other MDG goals can be achieved based upon the premise that we have a sustainable environment for our next generations. Sorry. Thank you.
You mentioned using tea bags to purify the water. How would you recycle the tea bags? Because a lot of the places that need clean water may not have good refuse systems or waste management systems. So how would you recycle the tea bags? Would you recycle them, and how would you do it?
Actually, we thought that we mentioned that tea bag. It means that we do not use tea bag just once, right? We meant that in the tea bag we can put in the purifying plants and other